Hello everyone, I'm Christian from Best AI Reviews. Today we'll be diving into InVideo, an online video creation tool that's making an impact in the digital world. Stick around to learn about its user-friendly interface and unique features. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get started. InVideo is an AI-powered video creator that transforms your ideas into videos. Its design and customer support have earned it high praise amongst users, especially beginners. To start using InVideo, log in with your credentials, but if you don't have an account yet, just sign up using the link I provided in the description below, or simply visit freeinvideo.com to start your free trial. Once you log in, it'll take you to InVideo's dashboard. Here you'll find key features such as templates, AI text to video, stock media, and editor. Let's delve into each of these. Templates offer a variety of pre-designed video layouts that can be customized to suit your needs. They are designed by professionals and cater to different genres, from business presentations to personal slideshows. The AI text to video feature is where you just need to input your script, and it will transform it into a video. It also suggests appropriate visuals and animations based on the context of your script. Stock media provides you with access to a library of high-quality images, clips, and music tracks that you can use in your videos. The editor is where all the editing happens. It allows you to customize your video with different elements like text, stickers, effects, and more. You can also adjust the timing and transition of scenes in your video. Moving on to My Projects, this allows you to organize and access all your video creations. Whether you're creating Instagram Reels, Facebook Stories, or YouTube Shorts, you can manage them all here. The Trash feature has got you covered if you made a mistake. Any deleted projects end up here, so if you've accidentally removed something, you can quickly restore it. The Team Members function allows you to collaborate with your team on projects, making it an excellent tool for businesses and content creators alike. Other than that, InVideo offers 3 subscription plans catering to different user needs. The free plan lets you explore basic features with a watermark on the final videos. For more advanced features and unlimited video exports without watermarks, you can opt for the business plan at $15 per month. For businesses needing multiple user accounts and priority customer support, the unlimited plan at $30 per month is the best choice. Now let me just show you how to quickly create a video using the AI text-to-video feature. Simply choose a template and select your desired ratio. For now, I'm going to use the 9:16 for my shorts, then click Use Template. Next is to start creating our script, or simply ask the AI to create your script. We have our script here, so we'll just need to paste it. Click Create Scenes, and it'll generate our video. So if you want to customize your video, you can always do that by utilizing these helpful tools on the left side. For now, let's see how our video turned out.
5 life-changing morning routines. First, embrace gratitude. Start your day by acknowledging one thing you're grateful for.
Now that's a great video created by AI. Now we can export it to share it with others. Like and subscribe. Click on the suggested video to see more InVideo guides.